students. Some students have asking sir the homework of the previous questions we cannot be understand sir how to solve it. So in that questions is ABCD is the square and AB is produced to P and BC is produced to Q such that BP is equal to CQ. Then prove that QER is equal to 90. So first of all, in triangle ADP and triangle ABQ. ADP, ADP or ABQ. AD equals to AB and angle DAP equals to angle ABQ is equal to 90 degree. Here AP is equal to BQ. क्यों AB equals to BC and AB plus BP equals to BC plus CQ. क्यों BP is equal to CQ given, then AP equals to BQ. Side, angle, side. So triangle ADP congruent to triangle APQ by SAS. Then angle APD equals to angle AQB by CT means ये एंगल और ये एंगल आर इक्वल्स. अब कंपेयरिंग करना है इन ट्रायंगल ERQ and angle and triangle BRP. Angle P is equal to angle Q. Above proved. Angle BRP equals to angle ERQ. Vertically opposite angle. Then angle RBP equals to angle REQ is equal to in the figure PQ is greater than PR. PQ is greater than PR. Given PQ is greater than PR. QS and RS. QS and RS are the bisector of angle Q and R respectively. So prove that SQ is greater than SR. Given here PQ is greater than PR means PQ is the greater than PR means angle PRQ is greater than angle PQR. By the Euclide's theorem, angle opposite of larger side be larger. Then half of angle PRQ is also greater than half of angle PQR. So half of PRQ, we also written that angle SRQ is greater than half of PQR. Half of PQR is also written that angle SQR. So in triangle QRS, if SRQ, angle SRQ is greater than angle SQR, SRQ is greater than SQR. SQR means SQ is greater than SR. Same. Larger side opposite to the larger angle. That's the proof. Next question. If AD is the bisector of angle A, AD is the bisector of angle A, means angle 1 or angle 2 with the equal, so that AB is greater than BD, AB is greater than BD and AC is greater than CD, that same thing. अब देखो आप AB is greater than BD, means if we prove that कि angle B is angle ADB is greater than angle BAD. अगर आप ये इसको प्रूव कर देते हो तो क्या होगा, वो आपका हो जाएगा. अब देखो ये कैसे होगा, एक यहाँ पे दे दो इसको, ये हो जाएगा एंगल 3. सो इन ट्रायंगल given angle 1 equals to angle 2, AD is angle bisector. So in triangle या आप ले लो एंगल 3, exterior angle 3 is greater than angle 2. In triangle ADC, exterior angle of triangle B equals to the sum of two opposite interior angle, means 2 plus 4 is equal to 3, so angle 3 is equal to greater than angle 2. Or we also written that angle 3 is also greater than angle 1, because angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. So we say that angle 3 and angle 1, angle 3 is greater than angle 1. So we written that in triangle ABD angle 3 is angle 1, then opposite of angle 3, the side will be AB is greater than BD. Opposite side of larger angle be larger. So यहाँ पे AB is greater than BD. The first are solved. The second, AC is greater than CD. So in triangle ABD, angle 6. Exterior angle 6 is greater than angle 1. Exterior angle of triangle B equals to the sum of two opposite interior angle. ये डायरेक्ट भी लिख सकते हो या ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो कि एंगल 6 इक्वल्स टू एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 5, और फिर angle 6 is also greater than angle 2, because angle 1 equals to angle 2. AD is a angle bisector of angle. So in triangle ABC, if angle C is greater than angle 2, we say that AC is greater than BC or CD. Side opposite of larger angle be larger. And proved. Next question is that if AD is perpendicular to BC, AD is perpendicular to BC and BD is less than CD, or triangle ABC, so that AC is greater than AB. AC means angle B is greater than angle C. प्रूव करना है एंगल B is greater than C. अगर ये प्रूव कर देंगे हम लोग तो क्या होगा, ये सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा. तो अभी कैसे होगा, एक कंस्ट्रक्शन कर लो. कुछ भी दे दो, A B C D E. यहाँ पे कर दो कंस्ट्रक्शन. BD is equal to B and join to A. A E. Then in triangle ADB and triangle ADE, ADB और ADE अगर प्रूव करोगे तो ये और ये क्या होगा, इक्वल हो जाएगा. तो देखो कॉम्बिनेट कर लो तो क्या होगा, BD इक्वल्स टू DE by constructions. Angle ADB equals to angle ADE is equal to 90 degree. AD common. So triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADE by side angle side. So what the benefit? Angle ABD equals to angle AED by CPCD. अब देखो ये और ये इक्वल हो गए। अब बात कर लो अगर कि ये ट्रू एक्सटीरियर एंगल होगा इस ट्रायंगल के लिए। अब आ जाओ इन ट्रायंगल AEC exterior angle AED is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Exterior angle of triangle equals to the sum of two opposite interior angle. Or angle AED is greater than angle 3. Or angle AED is greater than angle 3. AED is also written that angle AED is also equals to क्या था ABD. So angle ABD is greater than angle 3. और ABD और angle 3. So I will written that angle ABD is greater than angle ACB. अब in triangle ABC, if angle ABD is greater than ACB, ABD, or we also written that ABC. ABC. It is the larger. So and side if ABC ये एंगल अगर बड़ा है किससे ACB से, तो इसके सामने का साइड कौन सा हो गया AC is greater than AB. फिर यहाँ पे लिखेंगे opposite of larger angle side B larger. Then so next questions, if AB and CD are respectively the smallest, and AB is the smallest and CD is the largest side of the quadrilateral ABCD. So prove that AC is greater than angle A is greater than angle C. Angle A is greater than angle C. So how to say that? And second था angle B is equal to angle B is greater than angle D. So all the theorems, all the properties have been learned on for only the triangle. So you just make a triangle. First, angle A is greater than angle C. First construction, join A to C. in triangle ABC. In that triangle, AB is the smallest side, means angle ACB is greater than angle A. AB is the smallest, means opposite sides. Angle ACB is less than angle BAC, because BC is the in comparative to AB is the greater, AP is less than BC, because we written that AB is the smallest side of that quadrilateral. So ACB, smallest side, opposite angles are smallest. Opposite of smallest side, angle B smallest. लार्जेस्ट के अपोजिट पे लार्जर था, स्मॉलेस्ट क्या मिलता, पहला ले लो इसको। अब आ जाओ इन ट्रायंगल ADC, ADC ध्यान देना, यहाँ पे कौन सा एंगल है, ACB, ACB। ये क्या था, इसके कंपैरिजन में ये छोटा था और ये बड़ा है। अब इसमें देखो, इसमें कौन छोटा होगा, ये लार्जर साइड्स इन कंपैरेटिव टू दैट इज अ स्मॉलर साइड, तो इसके सामने का ये साइड छोटा, एंगल छोटा होगा और इसके सामने का ये एंगल बड़ा होगा। तो आप लिखोगे एंगल ACD इज लेस देन एंगल DAC। अब ऐड कर दो दोनों को, एडिंग 1 and 2। सो ACB प्लस एंगल ACD इज लेस देन एंगल BAC प्लस एंगल DAC। अब यहाँ पे एक चीज को ध्यान देना है कि अगर आप लिख रहे हो यहाँ पे स्मॉलर वाला, तो दूसरे ट्रायंगल वाले का भी आप स्मॉलर से ही स्टार्ट करोगे और लार्जर के बाद लिखो। अगर हम यहाँ पे BAC, अगर हम लिखते हैं यहाँ पे BAC इज ग्रेटर देन एंगल ACB, तो यहाँ पे नीचे वाले में लिखते कि एंगल DAC इज ग्रेटर देन एंगल ACB। अगर आप स्मॉलर का यूज कर रहे हो तो यहाँ भी स्मॉलर वाला यूज करेंगे, अगर ग्रेटर का यहाँ पे यूज करते तो यहाँ पे भी ग्रेटर का यूज करते। अब क्या होगा, ACB प्लस ACD के बदले हम लिख सकते हैं क्या, ACB और ACD इज इक्वल टू एंगल BCD is less than BAC ये एंगल और DAC ये एंगल। अब ये दोनों को ऐड करोगे तो क्या होगा, एंगल DAC। So also written that angle C is less than angle A or angle A is greater than angle C। सिमिलरली आप इसको प्रूव कर लोगे। इसमें क्या होगा कि जब आप इधर से बनाओगे दो ट्रायंगल बनेगा, एक एंगल यहाँ बनेगा और एक एंगल यहाँ बनेगा, उसे आप इसको प्रूव कर सकते हो। So complete the exercise 7.4 from the NCERT. Thank you. If any problems, then we